Today our topic is structure of HTML and HTML elements. Myself, I am Srinivasarao Tottempudi, working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SRKR Engineering College, Bhimavaram. Coming to the objectives of this lecture are to learn about structure of HTML and to learn about elements and attributes of HTML. Coming to the structure of HTML, so in order to write any program in HTML, we need to follow the structure. The structure of HTML starts with a starting HTML tag and ends with an end HTML tag. So whatever text written inside the starting HTML tag and ending HTML tag describes information about HTML document. And coming to the header tag, header tag is a paired tag. It contains both starting one and ending one. So whatever text written inside the header tag provides information about the document. And coming to the title tag, it is also a paired tag. It contains both starting one and ending one. So whatever text written inside the title tag becomes title for our HTML document. Coming to the body tag is also a paired tag. So it contains both starting one and ending one. So whatever text written inside the body tag that can be displayed on the web page. So the text between starting body tag and ending body tag describes the visible page content. Coming to the example program, we already know that every HTML program starts with a starting HTML tag, and after that we have header tag, and inside the header tag we have title tag. So inside the title tag, here we have written a sample program. So this sample program, this text becomes title for our HTML document. And coming to the body tag, and inside the body tag we have written welcome to HTML world. So this text can be displayed on the body of the HTML document. So whatever text written inside the body tag that can be visible on the HTML document. So after executing this program, we will have some output. That output can be displayed. That output can be shown on next slide. So this is the output screen for previous program. Here we have the title sample program. So whatever text written inside the title tag can be displayed here on the top of the document. This is the title. This is the title. This becomes a title for our document. So whatever text written inside the body tag can be displayed on the HTML body part. This entire part is the body part. So whatever text written inside the body tag can be displayed on this body part. Coming to the HTML elements and attributes. Coming to HTML elements, HTML documents are made up by HTML elements. So HTML elements are written with a start tag and end with an end tag, and some of the HTML elements doesn't contain end tag. That means they contain only starting tag. Such elements are known as empty HTML elements. So the content is placed in between starting tag and ending tag. The syntax for writing HTML element is first we have to mention the starting tag name, and after that we have written the content. After that we have again mention the end tag name. So this is the syntax for HTML element: starting tag, content followed by end tag. So the example for HTML element is body tag. So starting body tag and ending body tag, and inside this we have content. This is example for HTML element, simple HTML element. Coming to HTML attributes, generally attributes provide an additional information about HTML elements. So attributes are always specified in the starting tag. We already know that every HTML tag contains starting tag and ending tag. So attributes main job is it provides additional information about an HTML element. So in order to write attribute, it can be specified on the starting tag. So attributes are always come in the nature name by value pairs. So every attribute contain a certain name, and every attribute contain a certain value. So always attributes are come with the nature name by value pair. So we have many examples for attributes. These are some of the examples: href, src, alt, width, height. So href means it is used in anchor tag. It provides information about document location, whereas src is an attribute of image tag. It provides information about the source of the image. Alt is an attribute of same image tag. It provides information about it provides alternate text about image. And coming to the attribute width and height, these two attributes are also written inside the image tag. These two attributes provides information about the additional information about image tag. That means it provides width and height for an image. So all these five attributes are providing additional information about HTML elements. So href provides additional information about anchor tag, whereas src, alt, width and height provides additional information about image tag. So attributes provides additional information about HTML elements. Thank you.